Okay, so let's look at problem number 13 here. It has 4 parts. It says sort out the data from smallest to largest, create a box plot, and determine if there are any outliers. I want to do this with the calculator. So let me bring the calculator up. Alright, so let me go into stats and edit, and I'm going to clear out the data that I have in here. And we're going to put this, clear this data out, and we're going to put this data in the data set, right? So we got 310, 307, 345, 324, 305, 301, 290, 307, right? So we should have 8 data points in there. That's great. We want to sort the data from smallest to largest. Okay, so we go stat, and we want to sort smallest to largest. So that's going to be sort ascending. Okay, so let me get out of here, and we'll start from the main screen. Sort ascending. We want to sort list 1, and it says done, right? So if I look in there, and I edit the list, they're now smallest to largest. So that's what it means to be sort ascending, right? Now, let's take a look at part B. So this gave me the mean and the find number summary. That's here. So I'm going to go stat calc. The one variable statistics for list 1. And we calculate. There's my mean. My mean is 311.125. And if I scroll down, I get the 5 number summary. The minimum is 290. First quartile is 303. The median is 307. The third quartile is 317. The maximum is 345. So there we go with that. Create a box plot. So a standard box plot, stats plot, turn the first plot on, is this guy, right? So that's the standard box plot for list 1, right? So I'm going to go to the main screen, I'm going to hit zoom 9, and I've created the box plot. But the last one says determine if there's any outliers, right? So I don't want to look at the standard box plot, but I actually want to look at the modified box plot. And that's that guy. And I like to use the little squares for it. So we're going to do that. We're going to go main screen. And then we're going to go zoom 9 again. And aha! When I look at that box plot there, so if I hit zoom trace, it tells me that this value out here meets the definition of an outlier, right? So that 345 is an outlier in this data set. So there you have it. That should be problem number 12, or 13 rather, and that gets me the 4 parts of it. We sorted it. We used the calculator to sort it, to find the mean and the 5 number summary, to create the box plot, and determine if there were any outliers. Awesome.